Hello, welcome to Flowmatix. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to train your AI chatbot and fine-tune the AI settings so it can work exactly the way your business needs. Let's start training your AI chatbot. From the left menu, choose the bot you want to train. Then click on Train Your AI Chatbot. So what does training mean? It's simply the process of giving your chatbot relevant resources. This way your chatbot has knowledge it needs to respond effectively to your customers. Let's start with training on a website. This method is quick because it uses the data you have on your site, and it helps make sure that the chatbot answers are aligned with your brand. Go ahead and click on the Website tab, then click Add Website, and enter your website URL. For this demo, I'll use Flowmatix website. Now, when adding a site, you'll see three different options. Scan all pages. This scans and trains on the current page and every page linked to it. Scan a single page. This only scans and trains on the URL you entered. Scan JSON information. This focuses on just the JSON data from the page. For this demo, I'll go with scan a single page. If you'd like, you can also click on advanced options to train the bot using images. Just note that training on images usually takes more time and may cost a bit more compared to normal training. Once you're ready, click Train, and the training will begin. On the Website tab, you'll be able to see all the websites you've added, their training status, the last update, their visibility, and you also have options to refresh or delete them. Now, let's look at how you can train your AI chatbot using file upload. Go ahead and click on the File Upload tab, then click Add Files. Here, you can upload different types of documents like PDF files, Word files, Excel sheets, PowerPoint presentations, text file, and also CSV files. This is great if you already have company materials or product information stored in documents. You can also train your chatbot with an RSS feed URL. This option keeps your chatbot updated automatically with the latest content from your feed. Next, let's talk about Google Sheets. Click on the Google Sheets tab. You need to connect your Google account first. Once that's done, you can pick which sheets you'd like your chatbot to train on. Another great way to make your chatbot smarter is by adding frequently asked questions or FAQs. Head over to the FAQs tab. Now you see two options for adding FAQs. You can upload them in bulk using a CSV file, or you can add a single FAQ manually. Let's go with the bulk option. Click Select File. Then choose your FAQs CSV file from your computer and click Open. And that's it. All your questions and answers will be automatically imported into the platform. Once they're uploaded, your AI agent will use these FAQs for training so your chatbot can respond instantly and accurately to your customers. You can also add FAQs one by one directly inside the platform. Click on the Add FAQ button on the FAQ screen and type in a question your customers might ask. For example, does the product come in blue? Then, write a clear and helpful answer, something like, yes, our product comes in blue, red, and green colors. Once you're done, click Save. That's it. The FAQs is now part of your chatbot's knowledge base. On the same screen, you'll also find some extra tools to manage your FAQs. Upload and import FAQs. Adds multiple questions at once with a CSV file. Export FAQs. Download your entire FAQs list for backup or editing. Search bar. Quickly find any question by typing keywords. Edit or delete. Update any answer anytime, or remove FAQs that are no longer needed. Once you've added your FAQs, it's a good idea to test how your chatbot responds, and you can do this instantly right from the FAQ screen. Click on the Test button. A new testing window will pop up where you can chat directly with your chatbot. Go ahead and type in a question that our customers might ask. For example, does the product come in red? The chatbot will then analyze your question, search through its knowledge base, including the FAQs you just added, and give you the most accurate response. Now your chatbot won't always know the answers right away, and that's totally fine. To help it get smarter over time, you can review the questions it couldn't answer. Here is how. Head over to the Unanswered Questions tab. Here you'll find a list of all the questions your AI chatbot wasn't able to respond to during real conversations with customers. You can filter them by date range. For example, you can check the past week's unanswered questions to catch new customer concerns. You can also export these questions to a CSV file. Once downloaded, simply add answers into the CSV and upload it back into the FAQ section. This instantly trains your chatbot with fresh knowledge. Or, you can answer directly inside the platform. Just click the edit icon under the actions column, type in the correct answer, and add it to your FAQs, and click Add FAQ. And from now on, your chatbot will know exactly how to handle this question. Flowmatix lets you also train your chatbot using other information sources.
Click on the Other Sources tab.
Here you'll see a list of all the available sources your chatbot can learn from. Choose the source you want your chatbot to use and connect it to the platform. For example, you could connect a Dropbox folder containing product manuals. Once the source is connected, go ahead and train your bot on the information. Now, let's see how to fine-tune your chatbot's AI setting. From the left menu, choose the chatbot you want to configure, and then click on AI Settings. In the Basic Configuration section, you'll first choose the AI service provider you'd like your chatbot to use. The platform supports providers such as ChatGPT, Cloud AI, Gemini, and DeepSeek. You can connect and configure these services through the Integration section of the platform. For this demo, let's select ChatGPT. Once you've chosen your provider, the next step is to select the specific model you want to power your chatbot. For example, you could choose GPT 3.5 Turbo for speed and efficiency, GPT-4 for more advanced responses, or GPT 4.1 Mini for a balance between performance and cost. Moving on to the Configure Bot's Personality section, you have the option to let the AI manage the bot's personality automatically or to disable this option and customize it manually. When customizing, you can create multiple personas. Now, let's try editing an existing persona to see how flexible this feature can be. Under the Persona Details section, here you can give your bot persona a name, write a short description, and even upload a photo to represent it. Under the Communication Style section, you can define exactly how you want the bot to interact with users. For example, you can set the preferred answer length, whether you'd like responses to be very short, medium, or long. You can also decide if the bot should reply in the first person, the second person, or the third person. You'll also have the option to choose the bot's tone. This could be formal for professional interactions, informal for casual chats, joyful for friendly and enthusiastic feel, or sincere for a warm and genuine approach. Next, you can set the bot's language. You can either select a specific language for all responses, or let the bot automatically detect the user's language and reply in the same one, making conversations feel more natural. Finally, you can enable extra features to enhance responses such as including sources in the answer, adding images when relevant, or personalizing replies using the chat history to make conversations feel more connected. Next, let's explore the Chat Scenarios section, where you can define how your bot responds in specific situations. For instance, when the bot doesn't have an answer, you can set a response that keeps the conversation friendly and engaging. An example might be, "I don't have an answer, but I'm learning new things every day." You can also decide whether the bot should hand over the chat to a human, or simply display a live chat button for the user to request assistance. Additionally, you can enable follow-up questions. This allows the bot to ask for more information when it doesn't have enough context to provide a full answer, instead of just showing a static message. You can also set a message for situations when users use offensive language. For example, the bot could respond with, "I am not quite used to such language. I request you to be professional in our communication." This helps maintain a polite and respectful conversation at all times. Finally, under Custom Instructions section, you can give your bot a custom prompt. The custom prompt can be as comprehensive as you want it to be and can be up to 25,000 characters. That's how you train your AI and configure it to work perfectly for your business. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Flowmatix tips and tutorials.